have a really bad headache again.
Oh, that's not good. You should go see a doctor for it.
I've had this headache for weeks, but I don't know if I have enough money to pay for a doctor. Plus, I'm worried that I won't be able to communicate with a Canadian doctor.
I remember when I first moved to Canada, a friend told me about HealthLink to call and ask for health advice. I called them and they referred me to a family doctor who speaks my first language. It's 811. Yeah, maybe you should call them now.
You mean 911?
No, don't call 911. 911 is for emergency, it's 811.
Okay, let me try.
HealthLink is a free service in Alberta that provides health information and health advice over the phone. When you call 811, you can speak to a nurse about any health problems that you or your family may have. You can get medical advice in different languages by asking for service in the language you prefer. Dial HealthLink at 811 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
That was really helpful. I spoke to a nurse and she gave me some really good advice and referred me to a family doctor who speaks my language and is accepting new patients.
And you don't have to worry about the payment. Basic healthcare is covered here. What you should do is just take the Alberta healthcare card and the ID with you whenever you want to see your family doctor.
I don't have an Alberta healthcare card. Where do I get one?
You can apply one in most registries. It's fast and easy. And get well soon. You have to help me out with this mess.
Hi there, are you Ms. Diab?
Please call me Fatima.
Nice to meet you, Fatima. My name is Dr. Mohammed. Please have a seat. So, Fatima, I noticed that you are from Egypt. Are you related to the famous Egyptian singer Amr Diab by chance?
Of course, we're having lunch together tomorrow.
Oh, please get his autograph for me. All right, so since this is our first meeting, we will spend some time getting to know each other, but I hear you have a problem you need help with.
Yes, I've been having bad headaches on and off for weeks, and it's not getting better. Sometimes it gets so bad that I have to sit down when I'm at work.
Well, we can have a look at that today, but for next time, if you have an urgent need, you should get help right away. So let's make a plan to make you feel better. I will ask you some questions about your health, okay?
Sure, I would appreciate your help.
So I would like please to ask you to have a seat on the exam table, and I will be running some examination on you.
If your health situation is urgent and you need to see a doctor right away, go to an urgent care center. If you have life-threatening injuries, such as a heart attack or stroke, go directly to the emergency department of a hospital. You can call 911 if you need an ambulance to take you to the hospital. 911 is a phone service available in different languages. Ask for service in the language you prefer.
So, doctor, do you think I need to see a specialist?
Well, to see a specialist, you would need a referral from me, and usually there is a wait time for this. But I will give you some medicine and some tests to run. We can meet after 2 weeks to review the results. If the headache is still there, we can talk about other options.
Thank you, doctor. One more thing, I just started a new job and I don't know if I have enough money to pay for everything.
Oh, no worries, Fatima. Usually the tests are covered under Alberta healthcare, medicine is not. You may be covered by your employer insurance plan or maybe under Alberta health benefits.
Okay, I will look into those options. Thanks so much for your time, Dr. Muhammad.
No problem, Fatima. Have fun at your lunch with Amr Diab tomorrow.
For services partially or not covered under the Alberta Healthcare Insurance Plan, you and your family may be eligible for programs to help cover health costs. These programs include, but are not limited to, Alberta Adult Health Benefits, Alberta Child Health Benefits, Alberta Blue Cross coverage for seniors, private health plans sponsored by employers. For more information, please visit the link shown on the screen. Understanding and using Alberta's healthcare services is key to healthy new beginnings.